Well, it is day 17 of the monsoon session of the parliament, and there is still no end to the showdown between the government and the opposition over the issue of students. Well, the parliament is once again witnessing protests, placards and adjournment, with the Lok Sabha adjourned till 2 p.m. Well, the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Om Birla, has appealed to both sides to come together and allow a constructive debate. But the high drama played out inside as well as outside the parliament. In fact, NDA MPs marched to the Makar Dwar. They raised slogans, Rahul Gandhi Jawab Do and Rahul Gandhi Bhago Mat, accusing the Congress of double standards after yesterday's police action against the protesting job aspirants in Jharkhand, a state where Congress, remember, is part of the ruling coalition. Now, the BJP MPs are asking why the opposition that has relentlessly targeted the centre over police action is against students in Delhi, that it is not showing the same outrage when water cannons, tear gas shells and lathis were used against aspirants in Ranchi. Well, the NDA MPs have tried to corner Priyanka Gandhi when she entered the parliament and questioned her on why she hasn't visited Jharkhand even once. Watch this entire interaction that played out.
सर, आपको लगता है मैम, लगता है क्या राहुल जी डर रहे हैं? शर्म करो, राहुल गांधी, शर्म करो, शर्म करो, शर्म करो।
राहुल जी ने झारखंड के
झारखंड जाइए, छात्रों झारखंड क्यों नहीं गए? झारखंड क्यों नहीं गए? जो प्रियंका जी बोली, जो मुझे सुनाई दिया, बोले कि भाई राहुल गांधी तो कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने इनको जवाब दिया कि राहुल गांधी झारखंड क्यों नहीं गए? कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बीच में स्टूडेंट के प्रति सिंपैथी जगाते, वहाँ झारखंड में उनकी सरकार है, वहाँ स्टूडेंट को मार रहे हैं, इनको पे लाठी चार्ज करा रहे हैं, और वहाँ क्यों चुप है? वहाँ पे पेपर लीक हुआ है, भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है, नौकरियों में भ्रष्टाचार हुआ, वहाँ पे खामोश क्यों है? तो मैंने इनको ये पूछा।
तो उन्होंने कुछ कहा फिर आप?
नहीं, बिना जवाब दिए चले गए। इन्होंने जवाब मेरा नहीं दिया और बिना जवाब दिए वहाँ से भाग दिए, चल दिए।
Well, you can see how there is very little happening inside the house. All the action seems to have transferred outside the house instead. Let me go across to Niyamika, who's joining us. Niyamika, face-off. We expected one inside the house, but there was no debating there. All we saw was a lot of confrontation outside. The Congress being cornered about Rahul Gandhi's, as the BJP calls it, absence and silence of the issue. Priyanka Gandhi not taking it lying down. Clearly, all the action is now shifted outside. Does that mean that there is going to be no constructive debate inside?
Well, it seems like because it is being expected that today as well this logjam is going to be continued because the opposition parties have made it very clear that till the time the government is going to give an assurance that there will be a discussion upon the Ram Mandir issue as well, they are going to continue with this protest both inside as well as outside the parliament. We have seen today morning as well that at 10:30 a.m. The entire opposition had stood united at Makar Dwar. They were continuously raising slogans against the BJP government at centre, but there was a face-off which was also being witnessed when the NDA MPs have confronted Priyanka Gandhi Vadra there as well because they had raised a question that why Rahul Gandhi is not ready to go to Ranchi. The kind of brutality which was being done there by the police, the Jharkhand police, that is unacceptable, and they have also asked a question that why there is not any kind of a statement which is being made by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra regarding the Jharkhand students. That is the question which was being raised by many of the NDA MPs to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, to which she has replied that they have given that Rahul Gandhi had already spoken to the protesting students, and in fact Rahul Gandhi has also condemned the kind of brutality which was being done by the Jharkhand police against all these students. That is the line which is being taken by many of the Congress MPs as well. Yesterday it was during the press conference, Rahul Gandhi himself had stated that any kind of violence against the students who are holding a peaceful protest is condemnable, whether it is the central government or any state government. This is not going to be accepted by the Congress party, and that is the only reason why he had once again appealed that the Jharkhand government should also listen to the concerns which are being raised by the protesters there in Ranchi as well.
Well, Niyamika, do stay on with us because the opposition is equally combative, as we were just discussing in the counters that are coming in. Congress MP Pawan Khera, he's hit out at NDA MPs who surrounded him. They kept sloganeering around him. He in fact held up a poster of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, which had the caption Lapata, or else missing in English. It was written on it. Pawan Khera then lashed out at the NDA, then accused them of letting down the students and betraying Lord Ram through Chanda Chori as well. Watch the counter.
अमित शाह सदन में आओ, अमित शाह सदन में आओ, सदन में आओ, सदन में आओ, अमित शाह माफी मांगो, अमित शाह सदन में आओ.
Well, the government meanwhile says that it is ready for a debate. Top ministers have emphasized that Union Home Minister Amit Shah himself has offered to respond on the students' protests across the entire country. But Rahul Gandhi doesn't want a constructive debate because he said he's not interested in all these fancy talks. In fact, NDA MPs are now accusing the LOP of repeatedly shifting the goalposts and running away from a debate. Watch this.
We are protesting because Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Congress party is not letting us speak in the parliament. They are not participating in the debate. When Honorable Home Minister is ready to reply in the House, why is the Congress party running away from the debate? I can assure you today, the way they have done it in the past, when Prime Minister spoke, they ran away from the Parliament. Earlier also, Home Minister spoke, they ran away from the Parliament. And even today, when he's ready to reply, they are not. The Congress is not ready to come to the House. So the issue is, they have held the Parliament to ransom. On the other hand, when the students in Jharkhand, the youth of Jharkhand is on the street for their demands, they are not heard properly, and their lathi charge, and look at the kind of violence being used by.
मुझे लगता है कि राहुल गांधी जी भूल जाते हैं कि झारखंड की सरकार में उनकी पार्टी की साझेदारी है, इसलिए अभी तक जो वो एक लिप सर्विस प्रे कर रहे हैं एंड ही इज ऑलवेज जस्ट शेडिंग दिस crocodile tears, but he is not actually ensuring any kind of accountability of his सरकार इन झारखंड towards the students. ये उसके खिलाफ है. बार बार माननीय मंत्री किरण रिजिजू ये कह रहे हैं कि माननीय गृह मंत्री जी सदन में आकर देश के प्रति अपनी जवाबदेही, अपना बयान रखना चाहते हैं. आप सदन ही नहीं चलाना चाहते. मैं
They are now changing the goalposts, you think?
They have been changing the goalposts during the entire session. They are not realizing it's a criminal wastage of the taxpayers' money.
The government decided to have a debate on student protest, and also our Honorable Home Minister wants the detailed discussion on the student protest, be it Delhi protest, be it Jharkhand protest. But somehow the opposition party, the opposition leader does not want the House to function. The prime motive of the opposition is not let the House function and not let the bills to pass. Last 3 weeks, the opposition has been demanding that Home Minister should come, give answers in the give reply in the Parliament, have discussion on the student protest. Whether the government is ready to have protest, then what is the problem of the opposition?
Being a ruling party, if we are protesting, we are marching to the Parliament side, what for? Because now opposition leader Rahul Gandhi, either Akhilesh Yadav, they were raising questions on Jantar Mantar. They are demanding that Home Minister should reply. But I am asking, if in Ranchi from last 17 days and yesterday what actions has been, brutal actions has been taken by his police, where Congress is a part of government, and still Rahul Gandhi has kept it mum, quite keep. I think so. He is doing only politics.
He is against the dual standard of the Congress, and they are divisive politics. There is a huge lathi charge day and night in Jharkhand, and Rahul Gandhi doesn't speak. He only has got a lip sympathy, and if he is really serious, he should withdraw the support to CP Soren government, and it was uncalled for. But now, even now, Home Minister is ready to answer everything. They are not coming.
सीधा सवाल, जवाब दो गृह मंत्री जी कि इन छात्रों पे कील लगी लाठियां किसने चलवाई. जवाब दो, पिलेट्स गन किसने फायर करा है. जवाब दो, बेगुनाह लड़कियों का अपमान क्यों किया गया. जवाब दो कि आपने सदन का 3 सप्ताह तक आप क्यों नहीं है? प्रधानमंत्री जी, चंदा चोरी हुआ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आपको सौंपा था ट्रस्ट बनाने के लिए, आप ही के लोगों ने चोरी की है, तो जवाब तो आपको देना ही होगा।
Let me go across to Mohit Bhatt. Mohit, what's the inside scoop that you can share with us? Only 3 more days left in the parliament. Do we expect any kind of business? Do we expect an address by the Home Minister as he's offered? Or will the Congress and its opposition allies keep asking for different demands? Because on one hand, you have the SP, which is asking for a discussion on Chanda Chori, but when it comes to the Congress, the issues seem to be different.
Well, in fact, Meghna, what we know is that the government is keen that Home Minister Amit Shah should speak, and he will be speaking, but the opposition party should not come out and create ruckus in the parliament. And we know for a fact that how the opposition parties, and as the government has been saying, that these opposition party leaders, they have completely changed the goalpost. They have changed the goalpost. It clearly means that when the government is ready to have a debate and discussion on the issue of students, and Home Minister is ready to speak, the opposition parties now are saying that the Chanda Chori issue should be addressed. Now, Kiran Rijiju clearly stated that Chanda Chori is matter of state investigation. The SIT is looking to it. But yes, when it comes to Home Minister's statement, yes, he will be making a statement. So the government sources have been saying this, that today or tomorrow, Home Minister might speak in Lok Sabha. But given the fact that how the opposition is not allowing Parliament to function, that is something which is very, very shocking. And also now the BJP and the government says that the opposition is trying to change the goalpost to demand it. Response from Home Minister, he is ready to give. Now you're speaking about Chanda Chori. Tomorrow you'll say that Prime Minister should resign. So you should not change the goalpost. You should come out and you should have a debate and discussion on Home Minister Amit Shah, whatever he has to say. And he will touch all the issues the government has been saying. He will speak on all the issues from including the police action to the paper leaks or to the law that has been made.
Absolutely.
So clearly, as of now, what we see is that the changing of goalposts from the opposition, and in the end, both the houses have been adjourned till 2 p.m.
Yes, the Home Minister is expected to speak tomorrow in the Parliament, but of course, Kiran Rijiju had said very clearly the only rider is don't disrupt. We'll have to wait and see if that happens.